The next basic matrix operation that we will discuss is the matrix multiplication. To see the usefulness of this operation, consider the following application in which matrices are helpful in organizing information. A businessman has 3 food stalls located at the south, north, and west entrance of a mall. The top selling foods are hot dogs, soft drinks, and shawarma. Sales for a certain day are recorded in the first matrix, and the prices in pesos of the 3 items are given in the second matrix. So this is the first matrix, whereas the second matrix is here. To calculate the total sales of the 3 top-selling items at the south entrance, you can multiply each entry in the first row of the matrix on the left by the corresponding entry in the price column matrix on the right, and add the results. The south entrance stall sales are 120, so this one, times 50, which is this one, plus 250, this one, times 25, which is this one, plus 305, this is the item, times 52. So this one. Performing the operation, we will have 28,110 pesos. Similarly, you can calculate the sales for the other 2 stalls as follows. 207 times 50, so this is this and this, plus 140 times 25, that is this and this, plus 419 times 52, which is this and this. And the result here is 35,638. And finally, for the west stall, that is 29 times 50, this one, plus 120 times 25, so this one and this one, and 190 times 52. Performing the operation, we have 14,330. The preceding computations are examples of matrix multiplication. You can write the product of the 3 by 3 matrix indicating the number of items sold and the 3 by 1 matrix indicating the selling price as follows. That's 120, 250, 305, 207, 140, 419, 29, 120, 190. So this is our first matrix times our second matrix, that is 50, 25, and 52. And this is equal to 28,110, 35,638, and 14,330. The product of these matrices is the 3 by 1 matrix, giving the total sales for each of the 3 stands. Another practical application of matrix multiplication is representing a system of linear equations. For instance, consider example 3.10. Write the system of linear equations using matrix multiplication. To do that, all we need to do is to copy all the coefficients of the systems of linear equation in one matrix, that is A sub 1, 1, A sub 1, 2, A sub 1, 3. Next, we have A sub 2, 1, A sub 2, 2, and A sub 2, 3, and A sub 3, 1, A sub 3, 2, and A sub 3, 3. So this will be our first matrix. Our second matrix will only contain the x variables, that is x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. And for the other side of our equation, we will have a new matrix, and this contains the following elements: b sub 1, b sub 2, and b sub 3. Notice that if you perform the matrix multiplication, you will get this result.